Hi, I'm Jo from J.H.Leather, and in this video we're going to go over a few different things that you can do to make the most of your scrap leather. So if you have been doing leather work for any amount of time, you're going to start to accumulate some scrap, and today we're going to start to put these to good use by turning them into something more useful. So the first thing you can look to make with your scrap pieces are key rings. Now these make great gifts and you don't need a lot of leather to create one. And you can choose your design based upon the scraps that you have, and you can even make little mini key rings like these ones if you only have small scrap pieces. You can also use these little scrappy pieces of leather for zip pullers on bags. Now, if you have a lot of scrap straps or longer pieces of leather, then why not turn these into bracelets? The one that I have made here is pretty basic with just a sand brown stud, but you can fancy them up with tooling or lacing, again using your scrap leather. If you're making bags, then you're going to want to put your maker's mark on it so everyone knows who has made it. And scrap leather is great for this, especially if you choose a contrasting colour to your main item. Another use of your scrap is for cable tidies. Everyone has cables and you can pretty much guarantee that they are loose and all over the place. You can make a simple stripped cable tidy like the one I have here, or you can make something a bit more fancy if you have some larger scrap pieces. Now, if you have larger scraps, then coasters are a great item to create. If you only have thin leather, you can glue two pieces together to create a lovely two-toned coaster like the ones I have here. Now, you may have seen me do this in a few of my videos because I love the effect, and that is to cover your press studs in leather. This is a great way to add a splash of colour to your project, and you really don't need much leather at all to create them. Another great use is to make yourself a little swatch pack, and this is what I used some scraps to do for a recent craft fair to show off all the colours for my DIY leather craft kits. Now you don't need to make any elaborate shapes like these ones. Small squares or strap offcuts are ideal for creating a little swatch pack. The final thing on my list is to use your scraps as fillers in your project. Whether that be to fancy up a keyring, create a raised dog collar or bracelet, these are ideal to use for this. So that is it for this video. Now these are only a few of the different things that you can do to put your scrap leather to good use. If you have any more ideas, please share them in the comments below. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing for more videos and tutorials, and I shall see you in the next video.